In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in Microsoft Teams. Let's start right at the beginning. On your computer, open your preferred web browser. This can be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any other modern browser you normally use. In the address bar or the search bar at the top of the window, type MS Teams or Microsoft Teams, and then press enter on your keyboard. This will bring up the search results related to Microsoft Teams. In the search results, look for the official Microsoft Teams link. It will usually mention Microsoft and Teams in the title and will come from an official Microsoft website. Click on that result to go to the Microsoft Teams page. Taking a moment here to make sure you're on the official site helps keep your account safe and ensures everything works correctly. Once the Teams page loads, you'll see options to download the app or use Teams on the web. You should also see a sign in button, typically at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on sign in. This will take you to the Microsoft sign in screen, which is where you'll connect your account to Teams. On the sign in page, you'll be asked to enter your email address. Type in the email address that is associated with your Microsoft Teams account. This might be your work, school, or personal Microsoft email, depending on how your account was set up. Take your time and double check for any spelling mistakes, since even a small error can prevent you from signing in correctly. When you're done typing your email, click Next. After that, follow the on-screen prompts. These prompts can vary slightly depending on your organization settings or your account type. For example, you may be asked to enter your password, confirm your identity using a code sent to your phone or email, or approve a sign-in request in an authenticator app. Just read each message carefully and respond as instructed on the screen. Once you complete all of the prompts successfully, you'll be signed in to Microsoft Teams. From there, you can access your Teams, chats, meetings, and other tools. If you plan to use Teams regularly on this device, you can choose to stay signed in, so you don't have to repeat these steps every time.